Welcome. In this tutorial, we will help you fix the issue of Facebook professional mode not showing up on your profile. Let's get started. First, make sure that your Facebook app is up to date. Open your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Facebook and install any available updates. An outdated app might not support the latest features, including professional mode. If you still don't see professional mode, try logging out of Facebook and logging back in. Go to the menu, scroll down and tap Logout. After a few seconds, log back in and check if professional mode appears. Next, it's possible that professional mode is not available in your region yet, as Facebook may roll out features in phases. To check this, go to Settings and Privacy, Settings, then look for Account, Ownership and Control. If you see professional mode here, it's available in your area. If you are using Facebook Lite, try switching to the standard Facebook app. Some features like professional mode may not be available on Facebook Lite. Finally, if none of these steps work, try contacting Facebook support. Go to Help and Support and submit a report describing your issue. Facebook may be able to activate professional mode on your profile if it's supposed to be available. And that's it. Hopefully one of these steps helps you enable professional mode on your profile. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials and tips.